Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on managerial communication. The question is, how formal do performance appraisals need to be? Kit, I think performance appraisals should be more of a partnership than a power trip. However, I have endured years of annual tooth-pulling, painful performance appraisals. Now we're getting more casual around here about it and sometimes have quarterly conversations instead. Is there still a process to consider? Yes, whether formal or informal, there is a process that supports success. First, establish clear performance standards and communicate those performance expectations to the employee. Consistently gather information and make sure that performance data is gathered throughout the year. Honestly rate performance and discuss the results. Formal performance reviews should be conducted once a year at a minimum. Twice a year is better. Quarterly is ideal for some. Informal performance appraisal is the day-to-day assessment. The effective manager or supervisor continually provides informal information to employees by positively commenting on the positive aspects of their work and pointing out problems when they surface. Informal performance appraisals really are the day-to-day assessment. Whether it is a formal review or a casual discussion, here are the keys to keep in mind. Listen carefully, sometimes for comprehension, sometimes for evaluation, and sometimes to demonstrate empathy. Be sure to discuss the employee's total performance. Begin with areas of excellence to bolster confidence. Communicate factual information, performance-related information with examples. Then discuss needed improvements. Again, communicate factual, performance-related information with examples. End with discussing a positive area of performance. Be sure employees understand all that has transpired. Conclude with a note of trust and open communication. I do prefer talking about my areas of excellence. There are so many. There's so many. It does get awkward when people discuss areas for improvements, but I suppose it's necessary. Thank you for watching this video blog on managerial communication. So the question was, how formal do performance appraisals need to be? Whether it's a formal or informal performance appraisal, we are still talking about people's career success. We should always take performance appraisals seriously. No matter how casual our conversations, keep in mind, we are talking about how people make their money and feed their families. Check back to Welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.